Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Glad you're here. Glad I'm here. Had a most pleasant day. Thinking about this junk journal July for a bit again. I'm moving along. Postcards. I think today is the 25th and I'm on number 18. So I'm going to get it done. I just know I'm going to get it done. I just know. Maybe past the 31st, but I know I'm going to get it done. I'm having a good time with it so far. And I'm hoping that if you've been following along, or if you haven't been following along, check out my playlist of Junk Journal July 2025, and you'll get to see all the unique and different pages I've done. So I'm going to just get started, because this one may take me, it's not going to take me that long. Today, postcard. Postcard. I haven't received a postcard in an awful long time. I like postcards. And I can remember when I was in college, I used to get postcards from my mom. But she never mailed it as a postcard. She'd find postcards all over the place, and she'd mail them inside her letters to me. So I would get a letter from my mom in college, and inside the letter would be a postcard of something she saw, and she thought of me. And just so you know, I saved all that. I got it. I keep saying to myself, I'm going to, at some point, learn to declutter. But I keep trying to declutter, and I look around at my stuff, and I go, wow. And I sit down on the floor, and the same thing happens in my craft room. I start going through stuff, and I go, I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff. It's kind of like with clothes now. I think about that. I'm retired now, so I don't work. I go and do other things during the day. I have lunch with people. I go to the movies sometimes during the day. I do a lot of different things that I do, but no working, no actual work. I'm done with that. So now that there's no actual work to be done, there's all these clothes, because when you worked, you had all these clothes that you wore. I'm making pockets. In case I didn't tell you guys, I'm using my postcards to make pockets. So I have all these clothes that I used to wear to work, like slacks, nice shirts, stuff like that. So I gave some away to a shelter for women, and then there's many ones that's left over, and I'm like, okay, now what do you do with all these clothes? And when you don't work, one of the things you look forward to is that you don't have to go to anywhere, but you find yourself wearing, like, basically a little handful of your normal clothes. Like, I really like my overalls, so I'm always in my overalls. I have long overalls and short overalls, so I'm always in my overalls because I love my overalls. I've always liked my overalls. So I wear my overalls. I wear my sweatpants because it's like 99 degrees outside and the house is cold. So I got on a sweatshirt, sweatpants, and everything, and I'm inside the house. So I got that going on. So I'm trying to get rid of these clothes, right? And so so let's see if the pockets are working. That one may be a little bit too tall, so I may have to cut that one down. Let me see if this one works. So I got it's a 3-pocket postcard pockety thing. Oh, pockets. Postcard pockets. And a little post box. So that's what I made. That's my postcard. But anyway, I was getting rid of some of this stuff. And to get rid of it and give it away is that you start looking at your stuff, and then you end up, sitting down on the floor, sorting it out. Then you spend like the next 5 hours trying on everything before you put it in the box to give it away. So I done tried on almost half of my wardrobe of giving away already. And then I go, I should put that back because, suppose somebody wants me to do something and I'll need a pair of black slacks. But I got like 8 or 9 pairs of black slacks. So I go, oh, okay, well, I might need my black slacks. So put those back. So I ended up putting those back. Then I go, oh, well, if I wear those slacks, I always like that shirt. That shirt always went well with the slacks, but put that back. There's the vest, I got vests are back. So I got to put my vest, got to get the vest back. Put the vest back. So it's just a 22 catch or something. I forgot they call it catch 22 or something like that of trying to get rid of stuff. You can't. You just can't. You get rid of some of it, but you still end up with a lot of it. So thank you for joining me today. This is a short one. Do you sort through your closet? And if you sort through your closet, tell me the truth. Do you try on stuff before you decide to throw it away? Or not throw it away, before you decide to give it away. And then once you try it on and you look at it in the mirror, you go, I think I'm going to keep that. And you look at the piles, and this is the giveaway pile, and this is the keep pile. And the keep pile looks like that, and the giveaway pile looks like that. Then you end up putting all the stuff back in your closet. That's me. That's me. I'm never going to work. I'm not going to eat all that stuff. But that's what happens. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for going through this little conversation with me. Let me know how you do. Or if you have a good suggestion for me. I bet your suggestion is don't try the stuff on, just put it in the box. I know. I saw some women on TV said that. But it's hard to do that. So anyway, Prompt 18 postcard. I did 3 postcard pockets and a post box. So that's what I did for that. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget that self-care is not selfish. Take care of yourself. Enjoy yourself. And tomorrow's Saturday, so have the best weekend ever. Bye now.